You see now, I believe it's no longer about the team playing just for vibes, but now the coaches are just trying to prove a point. Ukuthi even though we might not like us, but we will equal the record of the coach that you believed he did his best for Kaizer Chiefs up until he lost the league in the final game day. If they get to win the last game versus Chippa United, they will equal the record of Ernst Middendorp with the most accumulated points in the recent, not in the recent, but in the previous 8 to 10 years. Because now they are sitting on 54, only 3 points left to become 57 points. They equal Ernst Middendorp record. And now it will be up to the management to decide either we keep you or we let you go. But themselves, they will be proud of what they've accomplished because no one gave them that benefit of the doubt. But they decided whether you like us or not, you have to do what we are being tasked to do. And in games like this, it's where you'd say Kaizer Chiefs is not playing for something anymore. They have nothing to lose. Why keep on making sure you get the result? Because it's like now movie sayiphelile and Kani steering says funa ukuba serious. But they don't care. What's important is to make sure they keep on getting these points. Because today, I'd say the game approach, it was so scary to watch Kaizer Chiefs, especially when they were under attack. You have 4 defenders that all of them are slow, but to apply a high line, it was a bit risk, to be honest. Because if we were playing against a team that was clinical, a team that was ruthless in front of goal, and if our goalkeeper wasn't the quality that he is this season, engabe sikhala ngeflate manje. The saves that Ntshebe made were crucial to keep Kaizer Chiefs in the game. Maqokolo beangayizwi middle field Kaizer Chiefs and the defense because of his blistering and explosive pace. I thought ungeno kaMarco maybe at some point would silence him, but bekashiya kwasana. And obviously it was a man that Kaizer Chiefs needed to watch the most. Forget about extent, but Umaqokolo. But one thing that let him down is the finishing. That final product. And also, Ubiza was the obstacle. As Coach Atazwane said, if I was clinical enough, because they created, to be honest, the most clear-cut chances compared to Kaizer Chiefs. But those saves by Brendan Peterson were very crucial for Kaizer Chiefs. And we saw what they were doing was simple. They were just sitting back, watching Kaizer Chiefs rotate the ball, making them look as if they're a ball-playing team, a positional football team. And what they will do is that they take the ball out of them, Kaizer Chiefs making a mistake, and then they counter-attack. And every time when they were attacking Kaizer Chiefs in the flanks wide, you could tell there was a possibility of them scoring. But they were not clinical, and Ntshebe said, not today. I want to record my 15th clean sheet of the season and to make it difficult for Hugo Broos to avoid me. And now all I can say even if he gets to be given that sport to travel with the Bafana Bafana or not, it doesn't matter. He has shown his quality, and all thanks to Usiso Esimzwaki by bringing the competitiveness, the confidence on Brendan Peterson. He's so good. Yabona now makasemapalini, I feel like there's Itumulenkum. As he said, he was overshadowed by him, but now he's coming out of the shade. And we have to give credit to his due. He's doing exceptionally well this season. Some of the games Kaizer Chiefs that they've won is because of the defense and the goalkeeper. And against Amazulu, I'd say it wasn't going to be ukuthi bayiwine le game, especially with Brendan Peterson in goal. The Kaizer Chiefs, when they attack, I'd say good, they are predictable because all the time when there's a goal that they need to score, they have to come from wide. Same with what happened today. Unkate Inulilepo and played a 1-2 with paper 2 and then he scored. I got an man. Ngitsho ukuthi awukhumbuli ukuthi uqeda ukuthola yellow card because of his simulation, but I believe ukuthi there he was fouled. It's just to ref nje naye ngazathi bekudingeka ukuthi afake ibuko for this game. But the second yellow was unnecessary. Yes, we know it's passion, but you are proving ukuthi you are an important player for Kaizer Chiefs, and then kuba nama decisions are like this. Now team sekumele reshuffle and decide ukuthi whom will they sacrifice in order ukuthi babe structured as they were when the game commenced. It make it difficult because now you have to change the approach. They introduced Marco, they take out to cross, they introduce mode to help out defensive because it simply means that he was going to neglect his duties going forward. Man. Just imagine you just scored and then you get a red card. But Ulilepo, as I've said, he might drop a stinger, but to cancel out all the bad decisions that he was making. And he keeps on proving with the Kaizer Chiefs, I am an important player. And other teams I know very well, they might come for him. But it's a good thing Kaizer Chiefs decided to give him that contract as early as possible because they were going to snatch him. Osingphile Ngcobo, again, he played. His partnership with my boy, it showed with it. Here you are relying on the technical ability. Uyangipasa ngiyakupasa siyahamba. Simple as that. Eden Chislett is still not giving that quality that we think he is, especially coming from a fourth-tier league in England. But I believe good. He started late. He was introduced late. Maybe if he starts the season with the club, that's where we can make full judgment. But for now, I'd say good as long as the team is winning, but they're giving him those chances. So he needs to showcase. Good, why were we keeping on making sure that he gets to be played, but he's not delivering? Because he had to assist, or score, at least. But the team won, that's what is important. And they made sure they give him many minutes so that he will try now to stay in the game. There's a player, Umorris. As Umorris udlala le bola le igebengu. Bambheka ujahile ungavela uthi inkomo, but no. The things that he does makase bowling. For the fact that he's accurate switching the ball from the right flank to the left hand flank with his weaker foot. And how to make the run without being offside. I think now Munyo bese party nokuthi angatholi that enough chance, but he's capable of ukuthi abonise ukuthi he's a striker that might help Kaizer Chiefs. But now it's too little too late. You don't know ukuthi kuyenzakalani, but everything will be decided makuphela isizini. But I'm impressed with him. There's no Silva. As we have strikers that are not scared to sacrifice themselves for the betterment of the team. He was chasing down Ukhateb. I was like, ubonga funga ukuthi uyi-full back, the way I chase a back ngakhona, and to win that ball without even trying to foul Ukhateb. So next season, it's a season where Kaizer Chiefs needs to be serious and get competitive. Be a point collection machine. That's what is needed. The squad is decent, to be honest. Paper 2 is a player that but he has to do something to show that he is in the game. It's either he scores or creates. That's what you get from him. It's just I saw Guti in that physical aspect, that's where he gets to struggle, because there were runs that he was making in front of the defense, but he will be bundled off the ball easily. But that's not something to be worried about. He still needs to focus more on his decision making. Let him be started more often, then that's where we can say, no, he needs to be sharpened. Gutalungiselana la. Bradley Cross, Msimango, yazi Msimango, he's making it difficult for Vikela Mbuso, especially for next season. If he's gonna remain injury free, yazi he's working hard, especially him no Makati. Makati is a defender, I say good. Nothing much is expected of him, but he should be there in the contenders of a defender of the season because he has been consistent this season. Especially for a player that is playing his first season in a top flight league. You wouldn't agree if someone bekazokutshela ukuthi it is his first season. I don't know, how did you think of the game? Because I say ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs wasn't much involved in the game. It's just them trying not to lose and making sure ukuthi they limit making mistakes. But AmaZulu were the ones that looked like a team that wanted to win more than a Kaizer Chiefs. So I don't know ukuthi niyibone kanjani, but I think Kaizer Chiefs now inendlela ezithu zokudlala. It's either we build it, siyaqala from the back, siyaba penetrator, and then bypass their mid block from the center, or we go direct. Take the ball, you give it to Msimango because you're gonna make that switch because he has a good long range passing.